Baka mabawasan na namin yung laman doon sa baba dahil baka may mga ipapasok kami bago eh.
Meron nga,
Yung,
Mr. President.
Insofar as the witnesses admitted already into the program, Mr. Chair, the department will probably be asking for, especially for those who are under the custody of the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, that we take custody of them so that they can be placed under the protective custody of the Witness Protection Program.
You are contemplating on sending a request to the Senate, is that it?
Yes, we are contemplating on doing that, Mr. Senate President, sir.
But not at the very moment, no?
You may only be referring to Henry Alcantara, right?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
He's the only one under the custody of the Senate that was
Ah,
admitted.
yeah. So,
Yes, sir. Only Engineer Henry Alcantara, sir.
Leonardo Valencia and Santos are not, no?
Opulencia, Engineer Opulencia and Sally Santos are not under the custody of the Senate, Your Honor.
All right.
Sama nyo na pag alis nyo, kung gusto nyo.
Si...
If we will be granted
the
by
chairman is already agreeing, you know. I don't think anyone else would...
Yeah, if
would
the chair of the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee so desires, sir, then we will take the necessary or appropriate action to take him into our custody.
Sige, baka mabawasan na namin yung laman doon sa baba dahil baka may mga ipapasok kami bago eh.
Meron nga,
Yung,
Mr. President.
especially those who do not respond to the subpoena that the Senate has brought out. So, all right.
Your Honor, if we just thresh out the operational matters with the office of the committee of the Senate, Your Honors. Yes,
Alright.
we will gladly take the protective custody of the
I know for a
state
fact that
witnesses.
the Committee on Agriculture under Senator Pangilinan wants to confine some people.
A few more after. Currently, Mr. President, and I
Sige.
think in the next hearing, meron pa ho. Kaya mas
So,
maganda
Mr.
talagang mailipat na yung iba.
So, Mr. Chairman, are we agreeing to the request?
Admit nyo na rin sa program yung iba kung mag-cooperate para mabuwasan pa rin kami rito. Assuming that they fully cooperate, kasi I've been telling them, informing them na hindi pa naman huli yung lahat, and the committee may even recommend through the Senate President, once they fully cooperate and help in the investigation and eventual conviction of those being implicated, then, and I hope you will agree if the committee will recommend to the WPP, to the DOJ actually.
Mr. Chair, we will seriously consider the recommendation coming from the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee and the Senate President. As we have made official in the statements of the department, we are not totally disclosing the possibility of these witnesses who applied that they will no longer be considered in future cases. Pwede pa naman po, ang sinasabi lang po ng departamento, base doon sa kanilang application sa ngayon at base doon sa mga kasong gusto nilang makover, hindi po papasok. Pero we're not saying that in the future, if there are cases or there are other statements that may come out where it will turn out that they will be or they can be utilized in the prosecution of these cases, the department will certainly consider it, sir.
So, loud and clear, Bryce, JP, Curly, you heard it from the horse's mouth. May pag-asa pa kayo. So, pagtulog nyo mamaya, isipin nyo mabuti yung gusto nyo i-testify. Hindi po pwedeng half-hearted and half-truth. Kailangan talaga, when you decide to fully cooperate, fully cooperate.